To annotate a document, click on the menu Structure Documents. You can now either select an existing document or upload a new document. Let's upload a new document. For this, simply click on New Document, type in the document name, and add a description. Then upload the text file and click on Save. The document will now appear on the left side. Now click on it and then click on Annotate on the right side. You can now start highlighting by choosing the color on the right side and then mark text parts or simply click on words you want to highlight. You can also change the color of the highlighter by clicking on the numbers 1 to 5 on your keyboard. To undo a highlighting, either click on Undo Last Highlighting or just click on a highlighted word again. You can also undo whole parts by clicking on the Erase button on the right. If you want to let REMINER suggest highlights for you, just click on the Automatic tab on the right upper part of the page. You can adjust if you want to rather have many or good highlights suggested, and then click on Create Automatic Highlightings. REMINER will now suggest highlights for you. Note that you can still alter them or add your own highlights. While you're working, you can deselect the types of highlightings that are displayed to help you keep an overview. When you're done with highlighting, click on Save on the left upper part. You can now create requirements by clicking on the Requirements Creation and Tagging tab. To add requirements to non-highlighted text parts, you can mark whole text parts. The selected word will then appear in the right upper part. Just assign a name to it by either typing it in or by selecting an existing requirement from the cloud on the lower right part. The text that will best fit to your selection will be displayed bigger and bold. If you choose an existing requirement from the cloud, the requirement will be saved automatically. You can also click on the single word, which will then be automatically suggested as requirement name. You can now select a category and the description. And click on Apply. If you mark words that have been highlighted, the category will always be suggested for you, and the requirements cloud will be adjusted. A tag is displayed in bold and is framed when you hover over it. If you click on a highlight, a pop-up will show up with the most important information around this requirement. You can add synonyms to it, see if this requirement was already used in another document or a part of a document, and you can leave comments. To delete a requirement, right-click on the word and then select Delete. When you are done with tagging, again click on Save on the left upper part.